Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Life is Style. How are you guys? Hope so you are all doing well in your life and enjoy the best condition of your health. So dear viewers, how are you? Warmly welcome at my channel where you can enjoy your stylish and very unique ideas about your beautiful hairs and haircuts. Today, this video is especially for long hair transformation because in this video you can see layer styles for your long hairs and haircuts ideas about your beautiful long haircut designs. So dear viewers, if you are new at my channel, please subscribe my channel, and if you like my videos, please share my videos to your friends and family member and who are haircut ideas lover, and you can get very amazing ideas from this channel and today's video. So keep watching till end. I suggest you please watch my video till end because today's video is very important for long hair layered haircut ideas and styles. So dear viewers, if you like my videos, please comment me because your comments are very valuable for me. So dear viewers, you can watch the different styles about your long haircut and designs. You can adopt these designs and haircuts for any occasion, for office goings and for occasion parties and wedding ceremonies. Also adopt you all these parties. So dear viewers, if you like my video, please comment me and thumbs up for me and hit the bell icon button also. So keep watching, stay blessed. Thanks for watching.